Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open a Roth IRA on M1 Finance. First, understand that a Roth IRA allows your investments to grow tax-free, and qualified withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. M1 Finance makes this process straightforward by offering automated investing. We'll walk through the simple steps to get your account set up and funded, so you can start building your retirement savings with ease. Before opening, check your eligibility. There are income limits for direct Roth IRA contributions, so ensure you qualify. The annual contribution limit is typically around $6,500 or $7,000, but this can change. If you are 50 years old or older, you can contribute an additional $1,000 as a catch-up contribution, helping you boost your retirement savings even more. To begin, navigate to M1 Finance and start the account creation process. When prompted to choose an account type, make sure to select Roth IRA. You will then link your external bank account, which allows you to easily transfer funds into your new Roth IRA. This step is crucial for funding your investments and getting your retirement savings started on the right foot. Once your account is funded, you can select from M1's expert-built pies or design your own custom investment portfolio. M1 Finance then automates your investments, including rebalancing, to keep your portfolio aligned with your goals. This hands-off approach helps ensure your money is always working efficiently. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. They offer a lifetime warranty, making them a fantastic investment for your feet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.